Okay, so I wanted to make this video for students who are still struggling to locate information in Canvas. So once you've logged into Rapid Identity, you will always click on Canvas. Now I want to make sure you understand that on this Rapid Identity, you also have PowerSchool. That is how, now it doesn't look like this for you, but you will click into that to check your grades. Okay, so once I go into Canvas, you have all of your classes. These are all of my classes that I'm in part of. So I will use, I'm going to use this class as my example. Okay, so this is the home page, and you will see that this is how you will sign in each day. You click on the links and you fill out those sign-ins. Each student needs to do it one time per day. Now, when you look on this home screen, this is important information. First off, this is where your teacher is going to put their contact information. Please make sure that you utilize and contact your teachers as need be. Here, if you click on the live teaching times, it will show you the different links and things when we are live. So here is an announcement on how to join Microsoft Teams. You do have to use your student ID number and password, so please kind of look at that. If you or your parents have never filled out the communication information, those are also there. And then this is our video from Open House back a month ago. Now, when you look down towards the bottom of that home page, you will see all the months of the year. Since we're in September, you will click on September. Now, if you did not access the work from last week, you will then look here on September 7th to 11th, scroll down, and you will notice that the way I do my class is that I have told you, so Tuesdays and Thursdays are Core 3, Wednesdays and Mondays are Core 1. Well, obviously last week was Labor Day. So when we started out live teaching, each class has a live lesson. The same will apply for second and fourth. So what you will do, now I need everyone to understand that when I'm live teaching, so if you try to log into Core 3 at 10 o'clock on a Tuesday, you will not have access to this link. The reason, because I want you to participate in the lesson. So if that's the case, you would click here to come to the live lesson. But let's say it's 11 o'clock, you were sick this morning, you did not get to complete your work. You will click onto this and it tells you what our essential question is, tells you any Nearpods. So if you missed these Nearpods, you must go back and do them. You have to hit submit. Now, if it's within about an hour of class, you will notice that there is a recorded link. You can actually watch the video, listen to me read the story, have me do all of these things. Now, what's next is always, what do you do on your own? So everyone should be reading 30 minutes each day, and then there's always some kind of prep work for you to do. So that is for that first day of classes. Then I go back and I go to the next day of class. So that would have been for Core 3, that was that day. Here's the next class. Again, I missed class. I go here. There's the Nearpods. It says complete this quiz. You would have to tell your name and first and last name into quizzes. Again, there's the recording. Here's what you do. Also, you should be reading. Now, that's it for that week. So if I want to know what happened this week, I can go back to my generalized calendar, click on this week, scroll down again. Here is the live link again for, still just using Core 3 as an example. This is what we did this week. There's the story we've been using. Reread it if you need to. Here's the warm-up. Here's the Nearpod to complete. Here's what you need to do about conflict. Here is the assignment to do for conflict. Here is the conflict worksheet. Now, you can scroll down again. Here's a recording. It will help you with all of those assignments. So if you watch them, you can easily access it. Then, again, what's next? Complete the conflict chart if you didn't do so. Need to turn in your reading log. That's it for that class. Then again, if I missed Thursday, today, I could click again on this link. Again, here we go. But here's what I did do for you. I have access to all of those links right here. Guys, I'm giving you everything you need each and every day. You have to go to Canvas, Go to these pages and try it. And again, the same thing applies for cores 2 and 4. If you ever need anything, you can always text me at this number, 336-517-7984. You can come over here, click on the inbox, send that a message to me. You can send me an email, but you have access to be able to know what we're doing in class. I'm going to send this to those of you who seem to be struggling. If you need anything, please let me know.